Alright guys, I ordered from Jegs because Summit didn't have this. It said out of stock or something. So I went to Jegs and I got the back for my truck because the other one's all dried up. Here it is. It's kind of, I've had it over 10 years, so it doesn't quite, yeah, it's tired. So I ordered it from Jegs. It came pretty fast. So now I'm gonna take this thing off and put the new one on. They say that you're supposed to put it out in the sun for a little while. It'll help you stretch it out. It makes it a little softer. Yeah, this one lasted way too long. So thank God they make the extra parts for it. Well, I'm gonna pull this off. I don't have another camera person, so I'll show you the back of the bed when I take off the back part. This is the new one, nice and new. Woo-hoo. Gets hot right away. So yeah, I'm gonna fix her up. I'm gonna put this on her, make her look a little bit. Trying to save up some money so I can buy the plastic dip that I need to fix the hood and stuff. But I'll get it done, little by little. Camaro had a little setback. Goes, woo, there it goes, bye! Gotta keep working on the Camaro. Hey, what are you doing down there? I'll show you guys when I put it on later.